What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Matumza. Welcome to the very first episode, video, whatever you want to call it, on Matumza Productions. And today, I'm feeling like making some private school piano. So, without wasting any time, let's go. So I started by making a little drum pattern just to save a bit of time so we can just get into it, you know? But the foundation is already there, I'm feeling it. I'm just gonna add on to it a bit with a bit of shakers and stuff. I like that. Okay, I think we have our drum pattern down. The foundation is sounding very nice. So now I'm just gonna layer some chords over it so we can start progressing the song. I'm just gonna create a chord progression in the key of A minor, which is one of the easiest keys that you can learn, guys. If you don't know music theory, basically it's just all the like notes. C major, A minor. It's one of the easiest scales to learn and will just help you make your music sound so much nicer. So let's make something in the key of A minor. What's that chord? Okay guys, we have our chord progression down. It's sounding very nice, but I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit to just, you know, add some spicy nyama. The foundation is very good, but you just can't have a cake without any icing or sprinkles on top. So let's add some icing. Okay, so we have our chords and some nice drums. I think now we can move on to our business. guys, I think the foundation of the song is coming along very nicely. I'm just going to add some keys, arrange it, and then yeah, pretty much we're done. So I'll see you guys after a while. We just finish off this beat, and then yeah, we hear the final product. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is the beat done. We made a private school / soulful piano background. Hope you guys enjoy. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for enjoying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, till the next video. Peace.